In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the Python idle environment. The idle environment is a much simpler IDE developed for Python. To do this, we're going to search on Google for Python idle. If we scroll down a bit, we'll see here python.org/downloads. We can download the latest version here, and then we can click open file once it's finished downloading. We can click install now after we have selected the add python exe to path file. Now that it says setup was successful, we can click close, and if we navigate to our start menu, you'll see that we've had a few new programs installed. This main one here called idle, you can click on it through recents or you can search idle. This will now appear. When it opens up, you'll get the idle shell. Now this is very similar to a terminal in VS Code. This is where your program should run, and you should never type your code into this window. Where you should type your code is in a new window. So if you go to File, a new file, or you can press Ctrl and N on your keyboard. This empty window that doesn't contain any text like the shell is a Python file, and this is where we should write our code. For this example, I'm going to use the hello world print statement. So if we do print hello world, you'll see that our syntax highlighting is already working, purple showing a function, green demonstrating a string. If we go to run and run module, or press F5, it will tell us that we must save it before we can run it. Click OK. I'm going to navigate to this PC and my documents up here. Then we go to Python, and I'm going to save this as hello world. It will automatically add .py at the end, and you can see that over here in the shell is where it has run our code and outputted hello world. This is a complete installation of idle, and you should be able to write all your programs in here and run them in the shell.